Hello, my name is Professor Helena Teede and I'm a member of the Council of the International Society for Endocrinology. I'll be speaking at the upcoming ISE meeting around hyperandrogenic oligoanovulatory disorders. These conditions are very common, the most common of which is Polycystic Ovarian syndrome, and this is of specific high prevalence within the Middle Eastern region. This condition affects anywhere from 10 to 20% of female population and is often underdiagnosed and undertreated. Women with the condition have fairly high levels of dissatisfaction with the management that we often provide, in part because this is a complex, multifaceted condition and it requires a breadth of awareness, skills and expertise to manage. So I'll be outlining the outcomes and recommendations of the International Evidence-Based Guidelines on Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. I was fortunate enough to lead those guidelines across 71 countries when they were developed, including with the participation of ISE. And we will be talking about the recommendations and going through some relevant case studies. And I think you'll find it a highly clinically applicable talk for endocrine practice in the region. Thank you.